Good morning, friends. It's coffee time. Has anyone else ever seen half and half with like a creamer lid like this? The amount of dopamine I got from buying this was phenomenal, and I don't even remember where I got it from. Oh, I got it from like the dollar store. Cheers, friends. Yeah. On mornings that I work, I have been drinking a lot of water before my coffee. However, on the weekends, I start with coffee. I need that juice to get going. Okay, friends, so the plan for this morning is to reset for the week, because last week I noticed that my kitchen being a disarray, having to clean dishes before I could cook was something that was really taking a toll on my eating, and I did a good job overcoming it, but it was just more work for my brain to overcome, so it was just not the vibe. So we are going to reset this kitchen this morning because it is my #1 pain point. I do not thrive well in a home with a messy kitchen. My living room can be messy because that takes like 5 minutes to pick up. Same with the dining room. Like, those things don't usually bother me a whole lot. It's the kitchen that gets to me a lot more, and it really affects my mental health, and it affects my health journey 100%. So I have a few goals for this morning, but I need to get changed out of my super comfy pajamas into my working clothes so that I actually have the motivation to work. All right, friends, we're back. Okay, so here are my kind of rules for myself for this morning so that I don't get overwhelmed, and I also don't hyperfixate on it because I have other things to do as well. All right, so first thing, I am setting a time limit for myself, because if I were to come into this and tell myself, you have to clean this entire kitchen, however long it takes, could be 2 hours, could be 3 hours, it needs to be all clean, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm giving myself a 1 hour time limit, and I'm gonna put that on my clock. So it is 9:24 now, so by 10:30 I should be done with this, with what I want to get done. The second thing is deciding on the absolute musts that have to get done. For me, the musts are the dishes, the countertops, and the all dreaded top of that. The bottom isn't bothering me so much, but the top of it, it all toppled over yesterday, and I about had a moment, so those are my 3 things that I want to accomplish in this hour. I'm gonna get a sip of my go-go juice and we'll get going. Also, if you're finding it hard to get the motivation to clean, spend this, however long this video is, cleaning with me. Just pick up a few things and it'll kind of help. So good. Try it. It's at Walmart. All right, task one, the countertops are cleared. They are not wiped down and cleaned, but they are cleared. I do the wiping down after I've done the dishes. The laundry wasn't something that was on my 3 things list. However, the nice part about us having a washer and dryer in the kitchen is it's kind of just in your face. So I knew that a load needed to get in, so it took like 5 seconds for me to throw the load in. Not a big deal. Now getting it up to the bedroom to get it folded, that's a whole other issue. And now is the time that I'm gonna tackle that, because I am saving the dishes for dead last.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Ta-da!
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit.
So that escalated quickly. I had not planned on doing those other 2 shelves, but honestly I couldn't fit everything, so I had to clean off the other 2 shelves before I could do it. It looks so nice, look at it! So we officially have 11 minutes left on our timer for me to do dishes. Now I'm probably gonna do like 30 minutes of dishes, not 11 minutes, just because I ain't gonna make a dent in any of this in 11 minutes. Okay, so we're at 30 minutes now. I think I can get a pretty good grasp on the dishes in 30 minutes. It was also helpful to kind of go through that stuff over there because a lot of that is my keto stuff, to kind of take inventory of what I have for the week. So that was the 30-minute mark. I got about half of the dishes done. I am going to scrub this pot though, since I already started it, but the rest of that can just wait for another day. Alright friends, I am calling it. It was an hour and a half. The rest of it can wait for another day or for somebody else in my household to do it. I just really needed this reset to kind of refocus on my health goals for the week, and I'm ready to cook in this kitchen. Actually, I'm excited to cook dinner and lunch today. So that's what I was hoping for, is to be excited to actually be in my kitchen. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean your pain point or your kitchen to get you reset for the day or the week, because it really did help me feel, first off, I feel more accomplished. Second off, I feel ready to make meals in my home, and that's a wonderful feeling, guys. It really is. And honestly, the only reason I film these is because it makes me do them. Showing you guys this stuff literally is pretty selfish of me, because I do things when I film it. So thank you guys for giving me the motivation to clean my home. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13. Bye.